key, boy!
I don't know what you're talking about. Let him go.
You're gonna make us let him go, punk? I'd sure like to see you do that. Bring it!
Ain't too smart fucking with us like this. Bend over, asshole. Take this, motherfucker. You can't escape me. I'm through fucking around. I'm gonna end you.
What did you do to here? Oh, fuck! Ready for me?
Not gonna live much longer. Time to take you down. Get ready. Suck on me. You are so dead.
We have no time.
Who was that?
There's no time. In my pocket. I left you something.
What is this?
A GRE access key. The Peacekeepers, they found it. We cannot lose it.
You were gonna tell me what happened to my sister. Where's Mia?
You will go to Fisheye. There, ask for a girl named Lawan. Give that to her. With it and her help, you'll learn. You will learn everything. Understand? Protect it. If Waltz gets his hands on it, the whole city, everyone will die.
Walt. Is Walt here?
He is. They're coming. You hear that? Renegades. Run.
We'll go together.
Take this.
All right, let's go.
What the fuck? There's our lost lamb. And he's not alone. We can fix that. Slaughter him.
You can't touch me. Stop where you're fucking standing. Barely breaking a sweat. Hey, fuck that, motherfucker! You ain't gonna live much longer.
Run! Come on, Aiden. Help me! Let's get the